If you're seeking a quick and simple way to make money online, you must stay and watch the entire video we have for you today. A fresh set of websites that will pay you $10 per click will be revealed to you in today's video. These websites are brand new and innovative, and they're sure to blow your mind. Every website we're going to share with you today is accessible to users from all places in the world and is unquestionably 100% free. Surfbox.com is the name of the first website we'll be sharing with you today. This is how their website seems. If you scroll down, you can see that this website has speedy payments, detailed statistics, and pays out $0.01 for each click and $0.01 for each referral click. Consider that it is per click, even if it doesn't sound like hundreds of thousands or millions. There is a chance of 500,000 clicks per day, and that figure is merely an estimate. If you do get 500,000 clicks every day, you'll make $5,000 in a single day. This website accepts payments using Payeer and Perfect Money. Sadly, they don't accept PayPal, but don't worry, the websites that come after them accept PayPal in addition to a wide variety of other payment options. Make sure you're still there for it. To start making money with our website, just click the register button in the top right corner of your screen. You should then be sent to this page. Click Register to create an account, then enter your username, email address, and password to get started earning money right away. The name of the next website we have is Scarlet Clicks. To access their website, simply type scarlet-clicks.info into your browser. When you first visit their website, you'll see this: click advertisements to earn up to $0.01 per click. Earn up to 100% from referrals. You can get money by clicking advertisements, finishing deals, and referring new members. After that, you can withdraw money using your Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, RTM, or Bitcoin account. Simply $2 is the minimal payout amount. As members, we can make up to $1 every click. Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, RTM, and Bitcoin are all accepted as payment methods, and the minimum payout is a shockingly low $2. You might receive up to 100% of referral commissions. Detailed click-through statistics on your recommendations, along with expert assistance. To register here, simply click Register in the top right corner of the screen. You should then be able to do so by following the on-screen directions. You'll have a user account in no time. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. SerpClicks.com, the third website, is the most effective for us. You can see that the slogan is Grow Your SEO Rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. There is a DIY solution that is easy to use, it is affordable, and you can start using it in under a minute. They are real clickers just like us. There are no bots used here. So there is a potential for success for everyone. When a company owner pays SerpClicks, SerpClicks will take a portion of that payment and distribute it to the people who registered as clickers, which includes us. The ability to earn between $0.05 and $0.10 for each click is this site's biggest feature. As a result, if you were able to make $0.01 per click on the other websites, you could make between $0.05 and $0.10 on this website, which is absurdly more than the other websites. Additionally, there is a $5 reward minimum and a 10% referral commission. Although it's still amazing, the cost is a little bit higher than on the previous website. However, that is understandable considering that their pay-per-click is more than that of the preceding websites. As you can see, all of their clickers are paid out via PayPal, which is great because it eliminates the requirement for you to submit an application. Anyone from any nation is eligible to work for SerpClicks. We don't screen or interview candidates for jobs. This is a fantastic choice for quick cash in nations with little job opportunities. We value a website that considers everyone's needs. Simply click Product on the home page, then choose Become a Clicker to access this page and register. You may sign up easily by clicking the Click Here to Get Started button, which will allow you to start making money right away. The fourth and last website for today is called iSense.com. Compared to the earlier ones we showed you, this has more opportunities to earn money. As you can see, it states that among many other things, you can get money by downloading apps, registering for websites, viewing videos, and more. Compared to our prior websites, this one has the most ways to make money. This is yet another fantastic way to boost your monthly income and revenue. You can have an impact on how future goods and services are developed in addition to earning money from free paid surveys. Additionally, there is a referral scheme, so spread the word about iSense to your contacts and watch your earnings skyrocket. You might receive up to 30% of what your referrals are paid. You could be paid with Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards, among other payment methods. There are numerous alternatives. Simply click Join Now to register, follow the sign-up instructions, and start earning money. That's it then. You will be earning hundreds, if not thousands, of cash every single day if you can try all the websites at once. You won't even need to lift a finger. Nothing is expected of you. If you merely click a few times, make a few clicks, and leave a few links, your money will start coming in like wildfire on complete autopilot. Consequently, give it a try. The end of that. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask any further questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.